Bitcoin just hit 76K, Ethereum's at 2,300, and they're both up 20% in the past week. If you followed my video from 4 weeks ago, you'd be up nicely. Here's what actually triggered this move and where I think it's going next. On Wednesday, Trump hosted a meeting between top crypto execs and financial regulators. Coinbase, Kraken, Ripple, the Winklevi, and the heads of the CFTC and SEC were all there. Trump pleaded to Congress to pass the long-awaited Clarity Act, which is the bill that separates responsibilities between the SEC and the CFTC and gives US crypto companies proper rules. Trump mentioned trying to bring Hyperliquid to the United States, which instantly caused the token to pump 20%. And he also hinted at buying more Bitcoin for the strategic reserve, something he's teased in the past but hasn't followed through on. That being said, I don't think this meeting was the main reason for the move, it was just the catalyst. As I said a month ago, Bitcoin was trading in a very tight band for quite a while, and this was despite a string of bad news like the Coldcard hack, MicroStrategy selling Bitcoin, and the Strait of Hormuz once again getting shut down. In the past, that would have crushed the price of Bitcoin, but it was holding strong, and that told me the weak hands are out. Also, I think the AI trade is losing momentum, and some of that money is rotating back into crypto. The Bitcoin ETFs had a net inflow of $1.6 billion in the past 4 days, and this aggressive move has caused a record amount of liquidations, leading to a short squeeze. I think we're going to run to $80,000, where a bunch of sideline investors are going to FOMO in before we drop back down to 70K and then grind up towards 100K by year end. That's just my gut feeling. This is not financial advice. And hit follow to stay up to date.